Do you want to be part of a first-class, high-income generating modern business that has a win-win aspect for all members? Welcome to a very short 3.5-minute video that explains how you can earn a significant amount of money from the world's fastest growing markets in just a few minutes a day. Everyone knows companies like Google, Facebook, YouTube, and Yahoo. Do you have any idea how these companies make their profits? It's from advertising. All major companies are moving from traditional advertising to the internet using fancy videos and ads. And e-commerce and auction platforms like eBay, DealDash, Alibaba, QBids are becoming the fastest growing online stores in the world, taking over traditional retailing. Also, online gaming, casino and sports betting platforms like Bet365, 888.com, 123Bet, Unibet, William Hill, Betway, Betfair and Casinoland create another billion-dollar online market, which is growing very fast all around the world. Sadly, all the profits from these companies end up in the pockets of the CEOs, shareholders, and managers. You get nothing and only spend your money on these platforms. What if there was a company that shares more than 80% of the revenues with you as a member? Would that be interesting? Introducing LikesXL, a unique online platform with multiple sources of income. LikesXL shares its revenue from 3 red-hot income streams with its members on a daily basis and is a financial and legally compliant project from Setimo International. LikesXL is an invitation-only platform where you can purchase €10 bids packs. These €10 bids packs instantly give you 20 bids which you can use on our Bids LXL auction platform. Here you can bid on luxury brand products like iPhone, iPad, Rolex, Samsung, Sony and many other smartphones, quadcopters, cameras, cruises, watches, handbags, sunglasses, coffee machines, etc. With every bid, the auction increases with 1 penny or 1 cent. The winner of the auction can purchase the product for silly low prices. When you watch 5 ads per day for 20 seconds each, you also benefit from the Daily Ad View Incentive, or AVI. Your €10 bids pack can earn you an €11 return if you watch your ads daily. This is a win-win situation. You get your 20 bids and have the ability to earn your money back with a 10% extra. You can accumulate up to 8,888 bids packs, which will generate you a significant daily income for years to come. For members that want more and would like to promote LikesXL, there is a very lucrative compensation plan paying out on 12 layers. This is one of the fastest growing businesses on the planet. Don't get left behind. For more information on how to get started now, contact the person that sent you this video or use the link below. LikesXL, advertising that works.